Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of one of my favorite family-friendly neighborhoods here in Cohasset. I absolutely love this neighborhood. Super family-friendly, there's no through traffic, and I'm gonna show you all of this in 1 second. But before we get to those details, I just want to remind you, my name is Sean Murphy. I work with Real here on the South Shore. I specialize in relocation and working with buyers. So if you are looking into the South Shore and moving here or moving within the South Shore, please let me know if I can help you with anything. All of my contact info is below. You can text me, email me, or even get a phone call scheduled. But without further ado, let's dive into the details about the Fairoaks neighborhood here in Cohasset, Massachusetts. All right, first and foremost, let's do a little fly in here with this Google Earth satellite imagery. Fairoaks neighborhood, all enclosed, meaning you're not getting any through traffic. It's just one big loop, but 51 homes in total. This is a perfect neighborhood for young families with small kids. And then, of course, a bigger overview of Cohasset, that red dot being downtown Cohasset, green dot being the Fairoaks neighborhood. But you're right off of 3A. It's a fantastic location. Now, a couple more locations here in town. That blue and purple dots, those are the elementary schools. The gray dot, the high school. Orange dot, you got the music circus, which just goes nuts in the summertime. And then red dot being downtown. But it's an awesome, awesome location in town. You cannot beat it. Now, we are pulling into the Fairoaks neighborhood off of Sawyer Street, which technically is the only way in, only way out, because as I mentioned, this is one big loop. There is no through traffic. It's super quiet. So the only people you're seeing driving through here are the people visiting or the ones that live here. Now, as I mentioned earlier, 51 homes in total in this neighborhood, but as you can see, everything is spaced out perfectly. It's not one of these neighborhoods where all the homes are jammed in there and there's not a lot of space. You have the perfect amount of space in between the homes, but also backyards, front yards, based on the size of the home. Now, a majority of these homes are colonial style houses with 3 to 4 bedrooms. There are some that have 5 bedrooms. So again, it's a perfect size for young families that want to buy and stay here and raise their family and not have to move again to upsize or, get more yard space or whatever. It's perfect. When it comes to sales in this neighborhood, typically there's 2 to 3 home sales per year in the Fairoaks neighborhood. So there's not a lot of turnover. Families buy in here and they stay. They love the friendships that they make. They love the neighborhood and all of the things that the neighborhood does together. Block parties, Halloween parties, etc. Now, as of 2025 and the recording of this video, there's only been 1 sale so far this year, but it's been the highest sale that's ever been recorded in this neighborhood at $2 million. But that being said, 2024, there were only 2 sales, one at $1.5 million and the other at $1.785 million. And the year prior to that, there was a home sale for $1.2 million. So that $2 million price point of the only sale so far this year doesn't depict the price range of the neighborhood. Most likely it is between $1.2 and $2 million for the neighborhood. But we will see what the rest of 2025 brings because you never know. But I can't say enough great things about this neighborhood. Again, I love the fact that it's fully contained. Everybody's got space. You got front yards, backyards, side yards. There's a ton of young families, so kids are just riding their bikes around. They're getting together on the weekends. Now, I recorded this in the middle of the week. Luckily, we had a beautiful sunny day here. But for those reasons, this is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Cohasset. The location's great. You're close to 3A. You're close to the music circus. You're close to downtown. You're close to all the schools. It is a fantastic place to buy and will hold and keep its value for a long time. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know if there's anything that I can help you with. But have a great rest of your day.